this video tutorial, I will show you how you can schedule your emails in your Gmail account. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. Let me compose a new email in my Gmail account with subject, main content and attachment as we normally do. But instead of sending the message, we need to click this V-shaped icon beside the Send button and select Schedule Send tab. In the pop-up, we can select the option from this list, or we can schedule a date and time in the future and schedule to send the letter. For some reason, if we need to edit the scheduled mail, we can select the Scheduled tab on the left. And next, click on the email that we wish to edit. And again, we need to click Cancel Send Link. Next here, we can edit the content and other information like attachment if any. And again, we can either send the email immediately or we can schedule it on a different date and time in the future. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment and share my video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you find the video helpful. Thank you.